Welcome. I'm here on the Mark Anthony Brands International stand here at TFWA Asia Pacific, and I'm here with two partners in a new venture. I'm here with Maurice Riegel, who's Managing Director of B&S Group, and I'm here with Ronan O'Neill, who's heads the International Spirits Division at Mark Anthony Brands International. And we're going to talk about a new partnership between the two companies. Perhaps, Ronan, you can kick us off and just tell us a bit about what's happening and the significance of it.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you very much, Dermot. So Mark Anthony Brands International has taken our first kind of steps and our first foray into global travel retail. We're partnering with B&S, and we launched this partnership about 2 weeks ago at the G2R show in Miami, and a couple of weeks later here we're representing it again. So B&S are going to be our exclusive global distribution partner in global travel retail, and really excited about it. Huge opportunity for the Mark Anthony Spirits business in this channel. So really exciting times and really looking forward to it, and working closely with Maurice here and the team.
Very good, thanks. And Maurice, from a B&S point of view, how do you see the significance of this partnership? And maybe just tell us what the Mark Anthony portfolio brings to B&S also.
Yes, thanks, Dermot. For B&S, this means a new milestone in our pursuit in delivering new great experiences and beautiful products to our customers globally, in all the different channels of duty-free and travel retail which we serve.
Very good. And Ronan, just tell us a bit about the portfolio. A lot of people will know the core brand, White Claw, and its size and scale, particularly in the US business, but there's obviously an international story developing, not just with that brand, but with others too. Maybe tell us a bit about those brands, White Claw, and its potential overseas and in travel retail.
Yeah, absolutely. I suppose Mark Anthony, very well known in North America. It's a very big North American company. We've got big businesses there, both in Canada and the US. But we've also now started to develop a premium spirits portfolio based out of Dublin, which is what I look after. I suppose the brand we're most well known for is White Claw Hard Seltzer, which has been absolutely transformational brand in the US and Canadian markets. We're now starting to roll that out internationally as well. As part of that, we've developed now White Claw Vodka the last number of months. Only in the last 3 months we've launched it in the US and last month in Canada. Hugely excited about the potential for this brand, being really well received at all the shows we've been to, particularly in Miami a couple of weeks ago. Mark Anthony Brands also have a really nice offering in Irish whiskey and Irish gin in the craft premium space with Glendalough Distillery, which you can see here. So we've got a range of really high quality Irish whiskies in the Glendalough range, and also from a gin point of view as well. Okay. We also then have Bareface, which is our Canadian whiskey, which is really exciting, and we've started the international rollout of that in the last year or so. Now available in 6 international markets and continuing to build on that as well.
Okay, very good. And Maurice, from your point of view, what story are you telling here to your retail partners and beyond this market also about the Mark Anthony portfolio and what B&S can bring to the table here also?
Well, beyond the beautiful products that Ronan just explained, we are releasing here into the industry. We found in this partnership as well the same love for innovation. From our side, innovation in terms of bringing new products to the market. From Mark Anthony Brands' perspective, innovation in the type of product, bringing something new to this industry, and jointly our love for digital innovation. We, as B&S, invest heavily in creating a digital environment in the B2B and the B2C that we serve. And we do that via kingofreach.com, our ecosystem, our platform, which we've launched in our industry. And we will, in the coming period as well, launch several social media campaigns and actions and digital activation, jointly with Mark Anthony as well, to bring as well the awareness and the product out to our customers and their customers. And that's what it is all about for us as B&S.
Okay, perfect. And Ronan, how do you see perhaps the future for the brands in travel retail specifically, and what are the drivers? We talked a bit about premiumization, you talked about innovation. What are the drivers that are really you're going to try and tap into in this market to take the brands to the next level?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, we see travel retail, a huge opportunity for the Mark Anthony Brands international business. It's a channel we're not in, and it's such, it's the second biggest market for premium spirits. Huge opportunity. We would look to do 250,000 9-litre cases in this channel with BNS over the next 5 years, and we're investing to that level as well. Yeah, absolutely. Digital is key, and both BNS and Mark Anthony are really strong in that space. Innovation, like you mentioned as well, and also our market activation. We're going to launch White Claw Vodka in JFK in August, and a huge activation there for it as well, which is what we're really strong in. Marketing activation, working with our trade partners, and bringing the brands to life in front of the consumer.
Very good. And just finally, Maurice, how does this fit into your wider strategic aims for travel retail as BNS? You've got some big plans, big ambitions that I think we'll speak about probably more later in the year, but how does this particular partnership fit into those goals, and how do you see the wider future for travel retail from a BNS point of view?
As BNS, we believe in partnerships. It's all about partnerships and bringing these experiences alive into our industry, backed by our digital platform, our ecosystem, which is a gateway as well to this beautiful duty-free environment. It fits perfectly in our endeavors in this industry for the years to come.
Okay, great. Well, we wish you very well on the road ahead, and with this new partnership, we'll be hearing a lot more about it. This is Dermot Davitt signing off, and we wish you well for the rest of the show, gentlemen. Thank you.